CHZ especially faces obstruction at 20 cents in a fundamentally huge manner. CHZ fundamentally acquired around 1.83% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the especially past week acquiring 1.08%, which basically is genuinely huge. 25 November 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is transient cost expectation for Chilliz, truly is CHZ, a sort of wise interest in a kind of enormous manner. Chilliz support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty profound into the CHZ specialized examination, especially let us certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,433,698,568,583, sort of an opposition to prevalent thinking. The kind of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $46,102,746,854 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in an essentially enormous manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in a significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, which in a real sense is very huge. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 0.1 and presently exchanging at 62 cents, showing that the very absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $46,102,746,854, which by and large is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly shows that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 0.1 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, exhibiting that the complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $46,102,746,854 in an essentially enormous manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending bearing for certainly present moment, so Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally enormous manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially shows that XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents. Exhibiting that the by and large all-out exchanging volume remains at $46,102,746,854, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become in every practical sense all the more extremely dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any in every way that really matters further in an unpretentious way. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which dealers by and large become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense significant way. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in every practical sense, is at $0.076, up 1.83% in the beyond 24 hours, and generally has a value change of 1.08% throughout the week, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 47,322,327.00 United States dollars, while extremely all-out market cap came to $579,408,909 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. There for the most part are practically 7,595,073,480 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 8,888,888,888 or so they truly thought. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 25 November 2023, inside an all things considered, day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of underneath, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize most certainly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the Chilliz, exhibiting how similarly obstruction most certainly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which by and large is very critical. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, for CHZ coin in a real sense is at present floating at 28 for 14 days really normal line, which for the most part implies CHZ basically is in oversold zone, and a pattern pretty inversion sort of is genuinely conceivable in a by and large significant manner. The Chilliz sort of has in a real sense break all its really upholds levels, and things for the most part are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, which generally shows that help explicitly is a level at which purchasers in every way that really matters become substantially more exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they for the most part thought. Presently, essentially bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take CHZ cost underneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ United States dollar moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, sort of is showing an extremely transient sort of sell, commonly signal is the MACD line sort of is moving underneath commonly signal line which essentially implies basically bears certainly are ruling on the lookout, which in every practical sense shows that Chilliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly shows that XRP the very local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents. Exhibiting that the sort of complete